SDG number 9 and forest existence. Goal 9 encompasses three important aspects of sustainable development: infrastructure, industrialization, and innovation. A functioning and resilient infrastructure is the foundation of every successful community. To meet future challenges, our industries and infrastructure must be upgraded. For this, we need to promote innovative, sustainable technologies and ensure equal and universal access to information and financial markets. This will bring prosperity, create jobs, and make sure that we build stable and prosperous societies across the globe. But there's bad news. Resilient infrastructure and technology should play a role in achieving this goal through resource and energy efficiency and access to digital technology. Considering the target to be raised at the SDG number 9, it is likely to have a double impact on both positive and negative forests and communities that depend on livelihood and economy. The problem is how to balance SDG number 9 with forest existence. Considering some of the possible impacts, alternative socio-economic models and new development paradigm may need to be considered to mitigate the impacts. The forestry sector as part of the conservation economy can play an important role in driving the decline of consumerism and reduction of the global ecological footprint. Other goals of SDG number 9 may also be compatible with these alternative socio-economic policies, such as the target of information communication technology, whose impact itself can be said to be positive or negative depending on how they are used.
When we talk about SDGs number 9, we couldn't escape from the Industrial Digitalization 4.0. Industry 4.0 refers to the fourth industrial revolution, although it is concerned with areas that are not usually classified as industry applications in their own right, such as smart cities. And what is the fourth industrial revolution? The first industrial revolution came with the advent of mechanization, steam power, and water power. This was followed by the second industrial revolution, which revolved around mass production and assembly lines using electricity. The third industrial revolution came with electronic IT system and automation, which led to the fourth industrial revolution that is associated with cyber physical systems. Generally speaking, Industry 4.0 described the growing trend toward automation and data exchange in technology and processes within the manufacturing industry, including the Internet of Things, the Industrial Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, smart manufacture, smart factories, cloud computing, cognitive computing, and artificial intelligence.
A smart factory is a distinguished manufacturing facility that uses connected devices, machinery, and production systems to continually collect and share data. This data is then used to inform decisions, to improve processes, as well as address any issue that may arise. The smart manufacturing practices used by a smart factory are enabled by a variety of technologies, including artificial intelligence, big data analytics, cloud computing, and the industrial Internet of Things. Smart factories connect the digital and physical worlds in order to monitor an entire production process, from supply chain management to manufacturing tools and even the work of individual operators on the shop floor. Fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing systems provide a range of benefits for operators, including allowing operations to be adaptable and readily optimized.
Nowadays, globalization or modernization force a country to keep innovating about their infrastructures and industries. Sometimes process of innovation didn't really care about the environment. To develop their progress, a lot of industries and infrastructures decreasing amount of forest that would cause huge problems on societies and nature. So, we need an innovation to make an eco-friendly industry by promoting green infrastructure. Then, what is the green infrastructure? Green infrastructure is technologies and practices that use natural process to protect natural ecosystem so that can be benefits for human societies. It has two characteristics: interconnectivity and multifunctionality. For an example is Yolo Basin wetlands in California. The wetland not only used for agricultural and industry, but also used for public flood management and hydropower. So, for make a better human life and healthy earth, we need to keep balance about globalization or modernization. By developed and promote infrastructure and industry on sustainable innovation.